Is it time-consuming to always find the latest drawings? Is the turnaround time for changes to the design drawings too long? Is the transfer of drawing data to parts lists prone to errors? We have the solution. With COSMO Product Data Management, you can manage your technical documents and automate handover processes. The drawing and revision management ensures cross-departmental transparency and consistent data throughout the system. This means you only work with approved drawing versions. Change management forwards the detailed information directly to the engineering department. For example, type of change and affected components. The designer can check these in the system and decide on product changes there, and in real time. With the CAD-Connector, you can seamlessly integrate all common CAD, PDM, and PLM systems. Your drawing data is automatically transferred to parts lists, and based on your processes, so your systems are always up to date. With COSMO Product Data Management, you can make collaboration between your departments more efficient. You always have access to the right design drawing and ensure high data quality across all departments. Orchestrating CAD and product data will be turned into a breeze. COSMO Product Data Management.